Hello, back again on MOTO-CAR TV. This time, MOTO-CAR TV will provide information about the Lexmoto Aura. The Lexmoto Aura is a tuning 125cc scooter that lets you go your own way, offering a practical and affordable means of getting from A to B. This stylish scooter turns the monotony of the daily commute into an engaging ride. With returns of over 86 mpg, at the heart of the Aura sits an economic and frugal single-cylinder motor that's been updated to meet Euro 5 emission regulation. It offers a fantastic introduction to the world of two wheels with complete freedom from the shackles of public transport. A 1,385mm wheelbase gives the nimble explorer every opportunity to make legwork of traffic, while the 135kg curb weight allows for easy maneuverability. Generous underseat storage, keyless ignition, and a USB port add practical touch and make Aura a delight to live with a daily ride, and bright LED headlights to ensure good visibility whatever the time of day. Despite complying with the Euro 5 emission regulation as certified by EU member states, combined braking distributes to braking between both wheels, reducing braking distance and the tendency to skid. A great option for new riders, this automatic option simply requires a throttle to be used without the need for clutch and gear use. This bike comes with handy underseat storage that lets you keep belongings safe and dry. This bike comes with an easy-to-view digital display, which gives you all information you need whilst riding. An easy-to-read full guide helps you keep track of your full level while reading. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe this channel.